Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you step by step how to crochet this beautiful and simple lace choker. This free crochet partner is a great homemade gift idea for yourself, your daughters, for friends and family members. For this project I use one skein of Cablé 5 from Mondial. You can find more information in the description box, and I use hook number 2. First we insert the beads. I choose these golden beads and we insert 11 beads using a needle. Okay, now we're going to start with the foundation chain, and this foundation chain should be long enough to fit snugly around your neck, and we need to have a multiple of 8 plus 4, so first chain 92. Okay, now we do one double crochet into the fourth chain from hook. Now we skip the next 3 chains, then we do 6 double crochets into the next one. Now we skip the next 3 chains, then we do a V-stitch, so we do 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet all in the same chain, and this is a V-stitch. And now we are going to repeat this sequence. So first skip the next 3 chains, then we do a group of 6 double crochets into the next one. So now skip the next 3 chains, then we do a V-stitch into the next one. V-stitch is 1 double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet. And continue to repeat this sequence until the end of this row. Now we skip the next 3 chains, then we do 2 double crochets into the last one. Okay, now chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet in this first stitch. Chain 4, and now we're going to work 6 double crochets together. So insert the hook into the first double crochet of the previous row, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeat this in the following 5 double crochets. So now we should have 7 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops to complete the stitch. Okay, now we are ready to insert the first bead, so slide the golden bead towards the hook and insert it using a chain stitch. Now chain 4, then we move directly into the V-stitch where we do 1 single crochet. Chain 4, then we work 6 double crochets together as we did before. Insert the bead using a chain stitch, chain 4, then we jump into the V-stitch where we do 1 single crochet. So continue to repeat this until the end of this row. And now we do 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So now we're going to create a little base where we will sew the bottom. So first a chain 1, then we do 4 single crochets along this short side. Chain 1, then turn the work, then we do 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, turn the work, and now we do 1 single crochet into the next stitches. So now we're ready to cut the yarn, then weave the tails using a tapestry needle. Okay, now my choker is about 40 centimeters or 16 centimeters long. So now we're ready to sew the button on the choker using a simple thread and needle. And now our project is done and ready to wear. I use this space as a buttonhole. Of course, I suggest to iron the choker. These lace crochet chokers are so quick and easy to make. You can make several of them in different colors. Don't be afraid to experiment with other beads and charms to give these crochet necklaces even more personality. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram if you create your choker. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notifications. So thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!